What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Scatboy 392. Today I'm back again with another banger, man. This something real light though, real, you know what I'm saying, real light, real slight, but y'all see the vibes. Go ahead and get y'all a, this ain't no cold start, cause I done been somewhere today, but yes sir. Still sounding good, still sounding crazy. Yo, y'all check the pipes out on this truck in my neighborhood, yo. This thing is absolutely ridiculously loud. Look at that. Look at that thing. Crazy. See the Porsche over there too. But yeah, man. Like I said, we got a light slight video. Get in the car real quick. I got some stickers for my Instagram so I can start advertising the car. That way when I'm out in traffic moving around, people know where to find me. You dig me? So yeah, as you see, I got the package right here. This came from Vinyl Sickness. So let me just show y'all what's on the inside before we get started. Boom, boom. That's official too. So I got two of those. Scatboy 392. You know what I'm saying? That's the Instagram. About to change the YouTube name to Scatboy 392, so you'll be able to find me there as well. But for most of y'all that's already following me, you know it's Flyboy Corner right now. And then on the inside, it also came with a 10%. Oh shoot, yeah, right here. So it says thank you for your order, and then they give you a little 10% limited time purchase. And then on the back, you got the instructions on how to do it. So I just figured I'd make a video for y'all. So one, y'all know where y'all can find some social media stickers if y'all need them. And then secondly, y'all gonna know how to apply it. I'm gonna try not to make this video too long because I don't have no one to hold the camera, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but it also came with this little Vinyl Sickness sticker. So shout out to Vinyl Sickness. But I'm gonna put a description in a link in the description box on where y'all can find it. But we about to slide to the car wash real quick. We're gonna get a touchless car wash done, and then we're gonna apply the sticker, man. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. Sound good in track, I'm trying to tell you. That thing sound crazy in track, man. You know what I'm saying? Just had to get y'all a slight pull. Running in a carbon beam like legs off. Try to get away from me. Had to stand off. That's my song right there. Baby killed that hoe too on the remix. So yeah, we had to touch this car wash, you know what I'm saying? You know I gotta get her right before I slap these stickers on. Plus, in the instructions, it tell you to clean the window anyway. So yeah, we're gonna do this real quick. As you can see, it's touchless. Only do touchless. I don't do anything else if I'm not getting it detailed or washing it myself. You dig me? Yo, so let me tell y'all what I did. So when I selected the car wash, I selected the wrong option, which was the cheapest option. And that one didn't come with the laser drying. So now my car is wet. And I am not about to pay again just to have it washed for a second time and then use the dryer. So it's gonna be wet. I'm not even tripping because it probably rain in a couple days anyway, but I really just wanted to get the window clean. So I did buy a microfiber. So I'm gonna just get this part of the window clean that I'm about to apply the sticker to anyway. So that's what I did, like an idiot. But it's all good. My baby looking good though. So yeah, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, so I got the directions here, and the only thing it really say you need is soap and water to clean the surface. But like I said, I just took it through the car wash, so it is clean. I got a microfiber, I got a little bit of dish detergent, and I'm gonna pretty much just run through it real light just to make sure that my surface is clean before I apply this. Make sure you clean the whole window. Don't just clean the bottom part where you put in the sticker. what I'm saying? Make sure you clean your whole window. You don't want to just have that one little spot clean. Alright, so we got that spot dry, it's nice and clean. I had a second microfiber so I could actually go through and finish drying. So what I'm gonna do here, as you see, I got my sticker, Scatboy392. Instagram, y'all make sure y'all go follow me if you're watching this video. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna kind of just run my thumbs on the decal so that way I know it's stuck to the transfer paper. And I'm gonna show y'all where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna pretty much just line it up right here with this line. You know what I'm saying? We just gonna go across the bottom of that right there. That way it give me something to stay symmetrical. So yeah, let me do that first. And then I'm gonna show y'all once I got it actually on the window. And then we're gonna go from there. Alright, so you wanna get this, pretty much you wanna get the white piece, the white paper off the transfer sticker. And you kinda just wanna make sure that the sticker is laying down like that. If it start to come up on you, just kind of, you know, mesh back together. That way it stays down. But nice and easy. You just want to take your time. You know what I'm saying? You're doing anything with your car, you always want to take your time. Then it's an old saying that goes, measure twice, cut once. So pretty much you just want to make sure you're doing it right before you actually do it. So yeah, we're about to actually apply it. So yeah, so we got the first side done. I'm gonna walk over and I'm gonna do the other side. I'm gonna just let this side right here sit. And what you seen me doing earlier was just following the outline of the decal. And we just gonna make sure each letter is individually applied to the window. So we just adding a little bit of pressure. So that way when I pull it off, it's gonna be nice and smooth. And that joint look good already. So I just use this pretty much the outline of my tent to keep it symmetrical. It may not be exactly the same on the other side, but it can only be seen from one side at the same time. You dig? So yeah, we're gonna go do the other side, man. Y'all just stay tuned. All right, guys, so I got both sides applied. I'm gonna just show y'all what it look like. You can see from the indentions right there where I added the pressure to make sure we get a good stick. So I'm gonna go around to the other side, show y'all how I got it on that side. You know what I'm saying? Hey, that joint looking good. I like it. I'm already satisfied, man. Like I said, shout out to Vinyl Sickness. This is not sponsored or promoted by any way, but Vinyl Sickness, if y'all, you know what I'm saying, want to add your boy to the promotional team, y'all hit me. Because there's definitely a few more, you know, pieces I want to add to the car. But it's just the simple things, man. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and peel this off so y'all can see how it's looking. Alright, guys. I let it sit for a couple minutes. As you can see right here, I left a little piece where I didn't really add pressure. That way I could pull it up easily. So we're gonna see how this go. And we're gonna do this nice and slow, nice and smooth, because we want everything to stick right. You know what I'm saying? Patience is a virtue. Like I say, y'all make sure y'all subscribe and follow me on Instagram too at 392. Well, Scatboy392. Scatboy_392, because if you follow me on Instagram right now, you already know what I'm doing because I done posted already. And you know what I'm saying? Instagram get all the updates first. Videos on YouTube got to be made. You know, they got to be edited. Everything got to be put together. So, you know what I'm saying? If you just following me on YouTube, you're missing out. But I definitely appreciate all my subscribers for sure. We still at the very beginning of this build, man. Everything is coming along great. I love how my car is looking. I got some dope videos out there, so y'all make sure y'all go back and watch my videos. If this is the first video you clicked on, y'all make sure y'all go back and check them out. And it's coming off nice and easy. You know what I'm saying? I just took my time. Look at that there. Look at that there. Oh my God. Look at that there, man. Stop playing. Scatboy_392. I'm gonna go do the other side. Alright, y'all, so it's official, man. We got the Scatboy392 stickers on both sides, and it's looking crazy. Look at that. Look at that. Tell me that ain't fuego. Tell me that's not fuego, bro. Let's go to the other side and see how it came out. And I did it right the first time. I feel like a big boy, because usually I be paying people to do stuff for me. but I needed to, you know, get y'all some content, so I did it myself. You know what I'm saying? Look real good. Might gotta go back and use a credit card. I got a little bubble in the O, but we're gonna get that out. But yeah, other than that, it look crazy, man. Yes sir, the Scat is coming together real clean, man. You gotta admit, I got one of the hardest dual racing stripes, man. I got the carbon fiber with the red pin bouncing off the red RT, man. Let's get it. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for the video. Like I said, I'm gonna drop the website where I bought my custom decals in the description box if y'all wanted to know how much it cost me. So I got 2 of them. The color is obviously red, and I chose the 9-inch size. I think that's the best one for the car. You know what I'm saying? It ain't too big, it ain't too small, like you can see it really well. So I chose the 9-inch size, and then it was $17.98 for 2. I chose standard shipping, so that was the extra $5. So a total of $22.97 is what I paid. Something real cheap, but something real light and slight that's fire. So I ordered it on the Monday. It was actually Monday night, so I really won't count Monday as a business day, but it actually came on Saturday, so not too shabby. If you want it sooner, you could pay for, you know, 1 or 2 day shipping, but it's, you know, it could cost you a little extra. But yeah, man, that's gonna be it for today's video, man. I appreciate you if you watch all the way to the end. If you're still here, I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and follow your boy on Instagram at Scatboy392, where you could get the updates the fastest, because I'm finna be putting the videos out back to back to back to back, man. So yeah, man, it's your boy Flyboy Quan, aka Scatboy. We out of here. Let's scat it.